I have Zayn.
The first place that we're going to, you're just gonna go back onto Queen's Key. So just take our right.
Okay.
Champagne on the beach, it's so expensive what she eats, cause she's so fancy. I see her when I go to sleep, I check my phone when I'm weak. She never posts anything deep, cause she's so fancy. This summer's gonna hurt like a motherfucker. Fucker.
X to the 5 minute drive in the sun. Did you ever see Greg Gianni funny? Man come out of me no beg them no money. Actually got money which will return. 10 pound ton get a vaccine get done. Some of them are dead me so we don't have the money. Some of them are
Like that's the extent. Oxen? Oxeye.
No.
We're gonna see some oxeye.
And there's some like backs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty hard. Either way. here we are in the middle of nowhere. Join us on our adventure.
Oh, Jesus,
This
man.
looks a little haunted.
Haunted.
Yeah.
Broad daylight.
A haunted loft.
Okay, here's where I fall and really hurt myself.
And then it goes viral.
And then it goes viral.
Idiot falls off
Maybe
log.
you should do it just to...
Ow! Oh, Jesus. I think we're back on like the main road.
I actually didn't make it. I actually didn't make it. Where is she? Be my eyes. Yeah.
Like, picked at her head.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That bird right there literally just picked at her head.
Bruh.
DJ, it landed on her head and
Okay,
like
move.
attacked her.